In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up recurring payments in Vendasta, a powerful platform that simplifies business processes. If you've been wondering how to easily set up recurring billing for your customers, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can access Vendasta with an extended free trial, along with some exclusive bonuses. To get started, log into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the billing section, which is where you can manage all things payment related. If you're looking to set up recurring payments for a client or service, this is your starting point. Next thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Recurring Payments tab. This is where you'll configure all the details for the recurring payment plans you want to set up. You can select the service, the billing frequency, and any applicable discounts that may apply. This level of flexibility is one of the key features that makes Vendasta a top choice for businesses looking to automate recurring payments. The third thing to remember is customizing the payment frequency. Vendasta allows you to set payments on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. Just choose what works best for you and your clients. For example, if you're offering subscription-based services, you might want to go with monthly payments to align with your client's budgeting. Now, let's talk about pricing. In this section, you'll define the exact amount your clients will be charged for the recurring payments. You can add setup fees, ongoing monthly fees, or even discounts. This is where you'll ensure that the pricing is aligned with your business needs and is transparent for your clients. The fifth thing is confirmation. After you've set up the payment plan, it's time to confirm everything before going live. Review all the details like billing cycles, client names, and payment amounts. This is your chance to catch any errors before your recurring payment setup is finalized. Finally, after everything's set up, you can track and manage recurring payments from the billing dashboard. Vendasta provides you with all the reporting tools needed to keep tabs on active subscriptions, past payments, and upcoming charges. And just before you go, don't forget that I mentioned at the start you can get access to Vendasta for free with an exclusive extended trial using the first link in the description below. This will give you full access to set up recurring payments and explore other powerful features to streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching!